My dear children, this is the third module. In this module we are going to discuss how to draw a bar graph or bar chart. A bar graph is used to represent the data in the form of vertical and horizontal bar, that is rectangular bar. It is useful to compare the quantities. Look at the example we are giving. Instead of plot, I am using the name that is bar. So if you give plot, it will draw a line. If you give bar off, it will draw a bar chart. That is the only difference between the previous program and this program. Here I am giving the over range 1. So I am giving 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. And the runs scored that are 65, 55, 70, 50, 80. So according to that I am giving a X label, Y label and title, India scoring only. Then I am showing the bar graph. So my dear children, look at this. How the plotting happens. 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, like that we are having the plots. We can also change the width color in the bar chart. That is, we can also adjust the bar chart. What will be the width, what will be the color. If we want to draw the bar chart with the different colors, we can also do that. Look at the bar. Within that I am having another two arguments, that is width and color. The width is 0.3. So it reduces the bar size. And color G means green. B means blue. Like that we are having many types of colors. You can also try out many colors. R for red, W for white. Like that you can check many colors if you want to draw the bar chart with the different colors. We can also change the length, that is width of the bar, by providing the list of width. So each and every bar will take different width. 1 point, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5. According to the points, we are also have an option to give the width as list. Then color I used here is G only. By default the width is 0.5. My dear children, this is another example. Here I used RGBCM. I can also change the color of bar, that is each bar having different colors. Look at the example where I had changed the line PL dot bar of range over 1. Over range 1, run scored 1, width I had given 0.3. Then I had changed the colors. So it is very easy. Which range with which run scored is very clear with the data visualization. Look at the output. India scoring 1 to 10, that is over interval, then run scored. So my dear children, while we are giving a bar chart for drawing, it is very easy. Dot bar is the function using with the arguments like X value, that is horizontal value, and Y value, that is two-dimensional plotting only we can do that. Then we can also use the arguments like width and color. I think you are all clear about how to draw a bar chart. Thank you.